A friend of mine reached out and asked me if I were interested in doing a LED underglow car kit on his car, and I was thinking, why not? So let's do a video about this and stick around to learn how to do it. Future Freddy here. I got so carried away starting to work on this car, so I completely forgot to talk about what products we're using for today's project. And we're using, I'm not going to use the word cheap, but we're using a easy to get your hands on LED undercar kit you can get on Amazon for about $50 US. It's not a really expensive operation we're going to do today. And as you can see on the box itself, it's a quite no-name thing I have here. It's remotely used via an app you download with the QR code and blah blah blah, things like that. You can start and deactivate the lightning process, whatever you want to call it. And except this kit we're going to use, we're going to need a fuse and a fuse holder for this. And then we need an additional cable for ground. And then it's good to have also some tape so you can pre-mount all the LED strips so you get a pretty decent idea of where you want it and so on before you make the final assembly on the car. So let's go to the product itself. So for starters, folk, we're going to remove the wheel and then the wheel arch to gain access to the battery. So we're going to get some nice real space to work on when we're going to take the LED strips back and to the sides of the car. So let's get to it. So to remove the inner wheel arch, it's actually quite easy. You only need 3 tools. You need a T25 Torx, a T20 Torx, and a regular screwdriver.
Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, to remember you're 1,000 miles away. But now I'm falling. Since you left, I've drifted out to sea. All the nights we danced away till morning. I miss the days that it was you and me. And I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine.
Once we've come this far, we're going to put the LED strips in and going to sort some wiring out. What we're going to do now is to tape these together, and we're going to use a cable coming from the hinge to the bonnet, and then we're going to put these LED strips through here to get to the wheel arch. So in this kit there are 4 LED strips included. So what we're going to do now is to sort out where the location will be to get the best effects possible on the light. We're thinking about using LED strips on the side, 2 of them, and 2 in the front to get the maximum effect on this kit. Once you've figured out where you want to have the LED strips, you just remove the cover for the 3M folio, and then you're good to go, mounting it on the car. And what we're doing now is to apply pressure on the glue itself, so it will sit properly on the car. Once we have the wiring sorted out and a fuse installed, we are up for a test run. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you're into more car repairs or fun things like this, you should consider subscribing. Now go out to your garage or your workshop and make an impact.